Now that I don't want you here, it's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for
So once I hop in the shower, I just like to go in using my Dr. Bronner soap in the scent Baby just to cleanse my hands. So for my lady parts, I'm just using this Monistat Feminine Cleanser. It's very gentle. I use this or the Honey Pot.
let's take this overboard now.
So after I finish washing my lady parts, I like to go in with that Dr. Bronner soap and just cleanse my body with it. And when I tell you Dr. Bronner's products, they'll get your body squeaky clean. So after I have cleansed my body, I like to go in with a scrub just to exfoliate my body.
Cause I believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close, let's close. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow.
Then I like to go in with this body cleanser by Dove. Y'all, when I tell you 10 out of 10 recommend, I just love how my body feels after I get finished using this.
Persian rose.
So now I'm just moisturizing my body with this Bath & Body Works aromatherapy line, and it's Sleep. So another tip I like to tell y'all is layering. I like to layer my body products. It helps the scent to last longer, keep your body moisturized throughout the day.
All I want you to do